When we start planning the move, the first thing that strikes our mind is the cost of moving and packing supplies. Vanlines Move can help you save money on moving boxes by getting them for free. Yes, Vanlines Move has compiled a list of the 10 best places where you can find free moving boxes. Number 1. Friends and family. If any of your friends or family moved in recently, ask them for the spare boxes they have. You can ask them to keep parcel boxes. Number 2. Grocery store. Supplies from the grocery stores came in small and large boxes either weekly or monthly. You can ask them if they don't need these boxes and can give them to you for free. Number 3. Large retailers. Large retailers or big box stores have a massive number of boxes in their stores that they don't need. You can find such boxes at Walmart, Petsmart, Office Depot, Home Depot, K-Mart, Costco, and more. Number 4. Bookstores. If you need small-sized boxes, then bookstores are the perfect place. These boxes can carry heavy items. Number 5. Craigslist. Since everything is available online these days, then why don't you try for free moving boxes? Go on the Craigslist website, there is a free section, check it out for free moving boxes. Number 6. Box exchange. You can connect box exchange companies to find moving supplies like U-Haul. Just enter your location and search for moving boxes, if somebody is giving away. Number 7. Liquor stores. Visit a nearby liquor store and ask the manager if they have empty supply boxes they want to give away, and you can pack items like CDs, VCDs, books, etc. Number 8. Workplace. You can ask your office store manager if there are any empty boxes of office supplies. Number 9. Recycling points. Most cities have recycling points where people drop off waste boxes and items. You can find moving boxes in good condition. Number 10. FreeCycle, an online platform to find free stuff in your community. Create your account and post that you are looking for free moving boxes. All these places are best to search for free moving boxes. Try these places and save some money on your move. You can also save money by booking a full-service professional moving company with Vanlines Move. Ask for a free moving quote now at vanlinesmove.com or call 833-706-1800.